In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to block all adult websites and Google Chrome here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have opened it, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. Once done, you need to scroll down here and go with settings, which has the gear icon. Click on it and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to be navigated in this new tab called Chrome Settings. So from here, please navigate to the side, to the left side, and locate with Privacy and Security, which has the shield icon. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see two tabs, which are Safety Check and Privacy and Security. So please proceed in this area and locate for this option called Security that contains Safe Browsing. Click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down on the list and locate for Use Security in S. So aligning to it, you can see there a switched option. Please turn it on. Once you've turned it on, it will open you another option where you can select DNS provider. Click on this down arrow key and choose for Clean Browsing Family Filter. Once you've set it, please create a new tab here and check if we have successfully blocked the adult website here in our Google Chrome. So please try to search for porn here and then click on the enter key. So you can see that we can no longer see porn videos here, which are good for our child safety. So instead, we can see here informative details or information about the porn. We can see here online porn about the effects of it, and you can also see the side effects or the meaning of this one, child pornography. So instead of having videos here, we can see that we have instead see informative videos or I mean sorry informative information, okay, where we can learn about the harmful impacts of the porn, the child safety, and everything about the porn, where we can see that we have successfully blocked the videos for the adult websites regarding porn about it as an example. Okay, so this is good, especially if your child has an access of your laptops. This is good in order to prevent them from watching such videos. Okay, so by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.